Hi, I'm Kalki. I'm 29 years old. I'm having a hair fall problem for the past 7 years. So I have checked for so many clinics and all, so nothing has been helpful for me. After I found out that's Elixify clinic at Koturpuram, Chennai, I called to the doctors. The doctors were so friendly and they have suggested me to go for a hair fixing treatment. So I came to Elixify clinic for a hair fixing program. So within a 1 hour of time, I'm get my new look, what you are seeing right now. Thanks to Elixify clinic.